Alright guys, I'm not even exaggerating. I was just walking and I found this cicada that's just now coming out of his shell. I have never seen this. I mean, you see all these shells just running around your backyard. Well, not like running around. You see them everywhere around your backyard. You always see them. You pick them up. You collect them over the summer. You see the cicadas while they're in it, trying to find a spot to peel out. But you never see them getting out of it. This is like unreal. What? Oh my gosh. This is insane. Oh. Look at it. And this is not fake. I just found him. This is like insane. What? What? This is like unreal. Here. You know what? We're gonna pause it and then check back to oh my gosh. It's stuck to my finger. Oh, I just broke his leg. Oh, he's still moving. Guys, I just broke his leg off. Oh no. My bad, little dude, my bad. Alright, we're gonna check back later. See ya.